Good Tuesday evening, everyone. It's Tuesday again. I just said Tuesday, but it's Tuesday around 5:30. I haven't done one of these videos in a few days. Been pretty busy with work and everything, so just haven't had time to get on. But we do have some precipitation moving in and cooler temperatures to what we've had for the past couple of days. So I figured we would go over that a little bit. So we'll start off by taking a look at the visible satellite for our area. You can see we have basically some high wispy clouds this afternoon. Nothing really too bad to keep us cool. A lot of us saw temperatures in the mid and upper 50s for a while. So that was really nice. Again, you can also see from this visible satellite that most of the snow in southeast Michigan has melted off the ground. So there's hardly any snow. Been a lot of melting, nice temperatures. Can't really complain again for this time of the year. So let's take a look at a couple of the temperatures around the area. You can see most of us are still in the 50s for the most part, upper 50s. The western side of the state has it nice. They're in the lower 60s and a few mid 60 readings even. Around Grand Rapids 64, Lansing 61. But again, around our part, you've got Flint at 57, Waterford 54, Detroit 54, Westland 55. The only real cool spots are up into Thumb where they're in the 40s, and even along the shoreline they are in the mid and upper 30s. So if we can zoom in here a little bit, you can go up Harbor Beach 35, Port Salinak 39. Those areas, they didn't get too warm today. So, if you live in those areas, you like the warmer weather. The winds kind of kept it cool coming off the lake. So other than the Thumb area, most of us had a pretty nice day. And tomorrow will be another mostly nice day. We got some precipitation moving in tomorrow night, but we will take a look at that here in a second. So again, nice temperatures this afternoon. Let's take a look at the NAM model for tomorrow. So we'll look at it. This is starting off tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. What it has, some clouds moving in. The upper part of the state has some rain moving in there. Still nothing clouds here, some sun and clouds. Nothing really coming in till later in the evening. It basically has precipitation coming in after 10 o'clock. Scattered showers, and then moving along at 10 o'clock Thursday morning when we have some more rain moving into the area. Not a ton, just a little bit, enough to wet the ground. Again, some clouds moving in through the area there. So the NAM is suggesting that we have, anywhere from a quarter to a half inch of rain move in through the area through Thursday night. So that'd be nice. We are abnormally dry for this time of the year. Not really into a drought yet, but we're a couple of inches below the average so far. So that'll be nice to get some rain to, help moisten up the ground a little bit. So also, we're going to go look at another short range model here and just look at a couple of other things for the area. So this is the Hrr model, and we'll do it for the precipitation as well. Then we're going to look at temperatures and the winds for tomorrow. Again, it doesn't really have anything for us. This is 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. Everything, again, with it is in the northern part of the state as well. Going through tomorrow evening has a couple of light sprinkles and showers pop up again between the 7 and 10 p.m. time frame. And then we'll keep moving on. This is 5 a.m. Thursday. And it has a heavier batch of rain moving in. It shows a little bit more heavy rain than the NAM is showing. So we'll see what happens with that. This is 10 a.m. Thursday morning. This is 12 p.m. Thursday, and everything basically moving out by 1 p.m. on Thursday. So it's showing precipitation totals. Does it have it on here? Let's move it up here a little bit through Thursday for us. Thursday at 1 p.m. It's still, again, in that it has, like I said, a little bit heavier rain. But again, mostly a quarter to a half inch of rain. I think most of us probably stay around a half inch, but we'll see. We'll see what happens with that. A little bit more data coming in tomorrow on it. So let's take a look at temperatures with Hrr tomorrow. Let's move along here. to tomorrow morning, 11 a.m. tomorrow, still has us in the 50s. Look at that. By tomorrow afternoon at 3 o'clock, it has most of the area in the mid and upper 60s. That will feel amazing tomorrow. Again, the shoreline probably going to be colder again just because the lakes are colder and the wind's coming off of it. And it will also be a windy day tomorrow. So let's go looking tomorrow night. It's not going to get too cool tomorrow night. It's not really having us drop off at all into the mid 50s tomorrow night and basically stay in there. So another thing about tomorrow is the winds. So let's go. I'm going back here. Sorry. So the winds tomorrow, these are wind gusts. So it has it being a gusty day tomorrow with winds gusting in the 30s, upper 30s to around 40 by the evening time. This is 6 o'clock. So we could easily have gusts 35, 40 miles an hour tomorrow. It wouldn't surprise me at all to see that. So again, it'll be nice tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the mid and upper 60s, but it will be windy. There will be some clouds and sun throughout the day. But again, another stellar day for the early part of March. So just remember that. It'll be nice tomorrow, but it will be windy, breezy, everything like that. So if tomorrow's your trash day, make sure you keep a look at that. Keep a lookout for that, especially when the trash cans get emptied out. They might be blowing around a little bit. So again, we have these nice temperatures right now. It is looking to get a little bit cooler. We're way above the average temp right now, which is the lower to mid 40s for us. So let's take a look at the 6 to 10 day outlook. It's having us more in the average range. So again, looks like our temperatures in the 6 to 10 days are going to cool down into the 40s again, probably for the highs. And this is for March 15th through the 19th. And then let's take a look at the 8 to 14 day outlook. Again, a little above average, possible to average. So that's March 17th through 23rd. So after this warm spell, it looks like we're probably going back into the 40s for highs. Still not bad this time of year. Again, there is some systems next week that we need to watch just for any wintry precip possible. Not really going to get into that right now. Too far out in the future. A lot can change with the models. So again, for the most part, another nice warm day tomorrow. Then we cool back down into our more average temperatures for this time of the year. But again, we are going to get some precip. So that'll be nice to get some snow and stuff like that. So that's it for now. Everyone, you guys have a good night, and we'll update you more later. Bye.